Hey, college students! Want to boost your career and academic life? Let me show you 3 essential tools that will elevate your game. First up, we have LinkedIn, the professional networking site by Microsoft. It's not just about connecting with people, it's about building your future. Share what you're studying, where you're interning, and your career aspirations. Recruiters are actively scouting talent like you. Next, let's talk about Google Scholar. If you're into content writing, research, or simply love deep diving into knowledge, this is your treasure trove. Google Scholar gives you access to tons of research papers and articles. It's like having a library at your fingertips, perfect for adding credibility to your projects and assignments. And lastly, for all you planners out there, check out Innovation Option. This tool is a game changer for project management. Whether it's for taking notes during a lecture, managing your to-do lists, or organizing your thoughts while listening to a podcast, Innovation Option helps you stay on top of your goals and tasks. These tools are more than just apps. They're your partners in success. So why not give them a try and see how they transform your college experience? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unlocked for more tips and tricks to supercharge your life.